had an absolutely phenomenal time with 2 snorkels at the home reef. Prior to arriving, there was good communication with the home office to make sure our timing would work out with a second excursion some of us had signed up for. On the day of the excursion, our guide picked us up at the cruise port when we docked, and the process of getting there and getting the equipment sorted was seamless. He was knowledgeable, friendly, and so kind to my family. We saw tons of sea life, and at the end we were sent all the photo and video content the guide shot as well. There was also a super delicious lunch included between snorkels, which was the icing on the proverbial cake. All in all, we had a fabulous time and we will absolutely look to book again next time we're in Bonaire. We were awestruck by the worlds on land and in sea. Our instructor at four-wheel diving, Jack, opened us to through the National Park Adventure, Sea Turtle Conservation Adventure, and Fish ID Snorkeling Adventure. Jack was incredibly knowledgeable, fun, and passionate. He captured our attention both through the in-class and field learning opportunities. He supported us in deepening our understanding, engagement, and connection with the diversity of life in Bonaire, bringing fresh purpose to activities like hiking, snorkeling, and diving. The adventure programs are a gift to conservation and education efforts everywhere. We hope to see them grow as we have grown through the mind-blowing experience. Thank you, Jack and the team at Four Wheel Diving. Booked while traveling on a cruise instead of the cruise excursion. Your private excursion is well worth the little bit more it costs to avoid the overcrowded and generic experience you receive on cruise excursions. Smaller local company with knowledgeable and caring staff made it a fun and comfortable experience. Pick up and drop off at cruise dock in a new vehicle removed any worry of missing the ship. Good communication and well taken care of gear made it a great experience from beginning to end. I wouldn't hesitate to book again and will do so next time we're in Bonaire. Two-day tour, fantastic. The guides are not only professional and friendly dive instructors but also marine biologists with incredible knowledge about the coral cycle, fish, etc. The atmosphere at the base was authentic and relaxed. Lunch was also excellent. Highly recommended. Our guide, Jack, was extremely knowledgeable. Marine biologist by training, Jack provided great insights into the aquatic life, but was also knowledgeable about plant and bird life, as well as history of the area. Seth was very professional. A great diver. Took us to places no one else would go. Good times lionfish. Very professional the whole group. From sign up to sign out awesome people. The four-wheel diving team were excellent. Very professional and caring about myself and my snorkeling experience. Highly recommend four-wheel diving for a super snorkeling adventure.